The question today is about indices. So the question reads, given that p is 3 power y, express the equation 3 power 2y minus 1 plus 2 times 3 power y minus 1 is equal to 1 in terms of p. Hence or otherwise, find the value of y in the equation 3 power 2 y minus 1 plus 2 by 3 power y minus 1 is 1. So first we need to interpret the indices as follows. So in this equation we have 3 power 2 y minus means division, so divide by 3 power 1 plus 2 times 3 power y, again minus means division, so we're going to divide by 3 power 1, and that should be equal to 1. So for this part, again, you can express it as follows. 3 power y, we separate y and 2, bring 2 out, divide by 3 power 1 plus 2 times 3 power y, divide by 3 power 1 is 1. So remember 3 power y we are told is p, so we need to express this equation here in terms of p. So wherever we have 3 power y, we replace it with p, so we're going to have p squared divided by 3 plus 2 times p divided by 3 is equal to 1. So multiplying all through by the LCM, which is 3, we will have p squared plus 2p is equal to 3, which further is expressed as p squared plus 2p minus 3 is 0. So solving this quadratic equation, we are going to have, so I'm going to use factor method. So we are going to look for two factors such that their products will be equivalent to the product of coefficient of p squared and negative 3, which is negative 3, and the sum should be 2. So the two factors are negative 1 and 3. So we are going to have two brackets here. So in the first bracket I'll have this p, and then the next one also the same p, and then I come and insert these factors so that we have minus 1 and plus 3, and then finally equate to 0. So from the first part, p minus 1 is 0, simply implies p is 1, and we also have p plus 3 0, implying that p is negative 3. So from the equation we are told that p is 3 power y, so bringing that back here, we'll have p is equal to 1, and p we know is 3 power y, so 1 is just the same as 3 power 0, so this and this means the same thing. So taking this part and this, 3 power y is equal to 3 power 0, equating them simply means dropping the bases will have y equivalent to 0. But for the other case, we ignore it because it will not give us the desired result. For example, if we take negative 3 and then we equate to 3 power y, this would not work. So we simply ignore negative 3. So the value of y is 0.